Okay, today we're gonna fix this ceiling fan right here. You see it's not working. I guess it pulled it a little too hard. So that's what we're gonna do today. See how that goes. Obviously first turn this thing on. And remove all the bolts. Now here it has these this thing right here that you can twist off and it'll come out, and you can then remove this thing right here, the cover. So let's try that. There you go. Alright, so now this thing has to come down, you know, so that we can see what's in there, and we'll go from there. Let me get my screwdriver. It has, oh, I see it now. It has one right there, and I don't know if those are gonna come out, but I'm gonna go do those at the end. Two, and seems to have only two. Oh, there's another one here. Three. Those three screws I'm gonna take out. This is giving me a little bit of a hard time. There you go. Whoa, don't come out. So this is how it looks. All that stuff goes in there. And what we want to change is this thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of looks like I guess a snail. This one right here. Oh, I didn't know I was pointing at it. So that's right there. We're gonna change that one. So to take that one out, because you can't just pull it like that, you need to kind of take this little thing off right there, that thing right there. So you just unscrew it, it just turns, and then we'll loosen that other side out. So I went to buy this stuff at the Home Depot. These, you're gonna need some of those, most likely. This is the switch, 3-speed fan switch. A little bit of tape, electrical tape. I might need it, maybe not. Those connectors for the beaded chain, and wire strippers. You don't need wire strippers, but it's way easier if you have them. This is what we're taking off, and it's all tangled up there, as you can see. So what I want to do is I'm going to cut these as close to the switch as I can. Cut the two wires there that come out of the switch. I'm going to cut them as close to the switch as I can, and just remember which one goes on the top and which one goes on the bottom. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I think it does. So I want to keep that in mind. Okie dokie, so let's start with the first one. Well, hold on. Okay, well, it's a little hard to do when you're holding the camera, but I'll just clip one I'll just cut one, and then I'll cut the other one. Right there. I cut that one off, and that one is the one closest to where the little chain's at. And I'm gonna put the wire nut here just to know that that one's the one closest to the chain there. I'm gonna cut the other one. Okay, this is the wire I'm gonna strip. And that didn't work. Let's try a smaller size. There you go. That's one. I think it needs a little more. Just a little more, not that much. There you go. Okay, put a little wire nut in it so it doesn't make contact with anything else, because I don't know if something bad will happen if it makes contact. So just to be on the safe side, I'll put a wire nut on it. And I'm going to strip the other one. Oh, works. Damn cool, because I got the wrong switch. That's why it's too big. What an idiot. Alright, here it is. This is the package. That's how it looks. That's the new one by the Home Depot. There you go. These are already stripped, so I don't have to do the stripping now. All I gotta do is put the wire nut on it. Okay, this is the one in the very front. First one, this is the one I'm gonna put. It goes with this one. Just put you just have to put them right next to each other or cross them or whatever. Just it'll work. And put the wire nut on top of it. Turn it clockwise. There you go. Do the same thing for the other one. Wire nut on it. I already put a bolt on it. Let me put another one just to test it out. Let's see how this goes. There we go. It's working. So that's how you do that. And I'll put it back together, and this is how it looks now.